Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this portable AC unit. I'm going to show you how to install it. It comes with a remote. We'll take a look at that. And you also have controls on the top. It's very easy to use. You have several different modes. Of course, you have the AC mode, you have cooling mode, fan mode, and then a sleep mode. If we are using this in AC mode, we must install the exhaust duct into the outside window. I'm going to show you that. If you are using this as a fan or dehumidifier, you don't need to install the exhaust fan, but for dehumidification and drainage, you will need to install the draining hose. So let's install it. Let's take some close-up looks at everything and see how it works. This is so easy to install. You're going to place the brackets on each side of the hose. Then open your window, install the vent, and then we are going to attach the tube to the window and you are all set. This is what it looks like once it is all finished. It just stays right where it needs to be, out of the way, super easy installation. Let's look at the device itself up close. This is where you can adjust the vent so the air will blow whichever way you want. I love the wheels. They roll easily, they can be removed, and they also are lockable. You have this drain pipe here. I love that really big stopper, and it is attached so you're not going to lose that. I also love that the plug has a little home. And so when you're not using it, look at that. It just pops right in there so it stays put. This is another drainage hole here. Again, for that tube that I showed you at the beginning. Really nice looking handles. This is easy enough to move. It's not super heavy and really nice compact size. On the top, you have the controls. You have your power button. And then next you have your modes. So you have your cooling, your dehumidification, and your fan mode. You can also adjust the speed of the fan, high or low. And you can cool or lower the temperature. This is a timer mode, so you can set this for how long you want to have it on. And then last, we have that sleep mode that you just turn on and it shuts off the lights for you on the top. This locking feature is great. You hold that for like about 3 seconds and then none of the buttons can be used. And then again, you hold that for 3 seconds and it unlocks it and then you can use everything. I personally love the control on top. I think it's super easy. But if you want to be relaxing, you can also use the remote. This has very low noise. It's anywhere from 67 to 35 dBs. Let's take a listen. Look how nice this looks in my room. I moved this easily from the window to my reading chair here so that I can be nice and cool on this nice hot day. I absolutely love this and I think that you will too. Definitely check this one out. I highly recommend.